give a presentation about the test review, and my name is Aqiang Cui, and I'm in the PG10 group. Now I will give the outline about this presentation. First, the outline is divided into four parts. The first one is automatic survey test, and the second one is real-time mapping, and the third one is Wi-Fi communication, and the last one is about issue list. At first, I will give an explanation about the automatic survey. The automatic survey can be divided into three parts. The first part is survey map by road follow, and the second part is survey map by finding path, and the last one is by serving map by detecting objectives. Um, Now I will regard the survey map by road follow as an example to show the graph to you and tell you what's included in this part. We can see from this graph the operations and the corresponding expectation are written in this graph. For example, the first step for the operation, setting the robot to automatic mode by press the switch mode button on the GUI. For this operation of the robot, we will have our expectation about it. The expectation is the robot is set to automatic mode, and any other manual controls cannot interrupt its activities. For this expectation, we will think about whether it can be achieved. When it's achieved, we will write the path and give some comments. If not, we will write fail and also give some comments. So the survey map by road follow, we divided it into 5 steps. It's showing on this graph. Next, I will give a presentation about the real-time mapping. Real-time mapping is also divided into 3 parts. First one is real-time showing roads. The second one is real-time showing current location. Second one is about showing mapped and unmapped errors. Sorry, and the real-time showing roads is also regarded as an example I am showing to you. In this graph, it also has operations and corresponding expectation. The real-time showing roads, like in the step 3, for the operation of the robot, verifying the robot is controlled to run upon on the road. So the corresponding expectation for this operation, we will think it is the robot is running on the roads and send back data to the host system and display on the GUI. And if the expectation is achieved, we will write pass. If not, we will write fail. And give some comments separately. So this is about real-time showing roads on this graph. Next, I will show you the Wi-Fi communication. It's easy to understand the Wi-Fi communication because in our daily life we we use Wi-Fi every day, every hour, um, and the Wi-Fi communication is divided into 2 parts. First one is establishing Wi-Fi communications, and the second one is about establishing Wi-Fi communications when the communication lost. These two situations will be considered in the testing report. So for now, for this presentation, I don't give a graph to introduce it. Next, I will introduce the issue list. It is noticed that issue list is an important role in contributing the testing report because the issue list can list a lot of bugs and some problems with these codes and the robot. So this issue list can contribute the programmers to improve their codes and tell the users the bugs of these codes and this robot. So, like the showing on this graph, it's a part of the whole issue list. For example, the first one is like radioactive objects has the same color with underground objects. So for this issue and its corresponding severity is low. Like this, we will show a lot of these issues we met, and we will also evaluate the severity of every issue and recording them in the testing report. So that, in summary, it's about my presentation about the issue list, and the whole presentation is about um, testing review. And I will give a future view about this. For now, we have no enough time to do a complicated report to show to clients. Uh, but if we will have some time in the future, and we and we have enough ambitious to solve the problems we met in this project, and we will try to solve them and give a better report to the clients. This is about the mind, not um, rather than actions. But if we will do some actions in the future, and it may be better. Thank you very much. It's my presentation about testing review. Thank you.